Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to MT Paradise's Cars and Collectibles. So we got another cool video and another really awesome Hot Wheel to be able to check out, unbox. And this is the case that it came in, which looks absolutely crazy. And as you see, this big giant case does say contains one piece. So we're going to go ahead and cut this thing open because it's heavily taped up. And we're going to go ahead and check out what's inside. And I'm actually kind of excited about this. And let's see. There we go. Alright. Let's go ahead and unbox it so I can show you guys everything first. And wow, right off the bat, that's actually pretty cool. And let's see which side is the front. So maybe this side, not too sure. And boom, as you see, it is a collaboration. So you have Run the Jewels collaborating with Hot Wheels and Volcom. So that looks pretty crazy. And right there at the bottom, you guys can see it is a 1987 Buick Regal GNX. So that right there is the car that's inside. And so the box is actually all taped up right here. So I'm going to have to, it's just like a little seal. I'm just going to cut that seal to be able to pull out and show you guys what's inside. It's kind of interesting that they taped all this up. But oh well. I just want to do this as careful as possible because I don't want to damage any of the packaging here. Alright. And we got another cool looking box inside. This one's a reverse color. And let's go ahead and slide this out. Wow, that looks really cool. Alrighty, and then that is the back side of that package, which looks really cool. Wow, if you guys want to pause that and read it, you can. And there's the car. And then right there in the front, that looks really cool. And then obviously the collab names right there, got them on the sides as well. And it does look like this just, oh, okay, so it's just on the one side, and then that side is the Run the Jewels. So let's go ahead and slide this out. Wow, okay. And boom, there we go. There is the car. And real quick, let me flip it around to the back side because that looks really amazing, that artwork there. Wow. But it even has pink wheels. That is awesome. So what do you guys think of that? Like, that is such a crazy car. And I did notice that the top does not have any seals on it. So I believe we are going to be doing a true unboxing. Some people kind of give me crap because they say if I pull it out to like this stage, I'm not really truly unboxing it. Which even though I did pull it out of one box, two boxes, but because there's not a seal to cut or break, I'm actually going to carefully open this up and unbox the actual car itself. Alright, so let me be careful with this because I don't want to damage anything. Alright. There's that. Now let's go ahead and slide this little tray out. And there we go. And now I can reach right in and take this thing out. Wow. This actually has a lot of weight to it. And this is kind of cool. Alright, so let me show you guys that. So there's the car with the pink wheels. And it has like the Run the Jewels on the top of the windshield. And it has like the little hand symbols. I don't really know who they are. So I don't really get the kind of hand signal reference there on the roof. You guys can let me know down in the comments down below really what that means. And then we have kind of like some abbreviations of the brands on the back window there. Let's see, we got it there inside like the Run the Jewels, Hot Wheel, Volcom, kind of like abbreviated on that rear fender. And that's the same thing that's on the back window. Got the Volcom logo right there on the back pillar. And wow, this thing is actually really nice. Like I said, it has a lot of weight to it. And even like the whole bottom is also painted with like gloss black, which looks incredible. That's the car. Got a lot of detail on the front end. And wow, and the back end with the taillights and everything. I love when they do a lot of detail on the headlights and taillights. Especially for a car like this, it definitely needs to have that added detail. But the pink rims is actually kind of a nice touch as well. And there are no windows, so you guys can kind of see right inside of that. I mean, there's still the windshield in the back window, but... So this is a really nice Hot Wheel. It's not really like my style. I'm not really sure really too much about who they are, but this is a really cool collaboration car. And honestly, the packaging was above and beyond. This was absolutely insane. Like all the different layers of boxes, like you have the car in a tray in a box, slid inside of a box, in a box, in a box, in a case. Like this is actually probably the most packaging I've ever seen for any Hot Wheel. But this is insane. And even like the car, like that's kind of what it sits in. It just kind of floats. Let me just go ahead and set that back down in there. It just kind of floats inside of that giant case. And honestly, to display it inside of this packaging would probably be the best way to do so. At least that's how I would do it. Because that right there actually looks really cool. I love having this like little border. And you have like the pink Hot Wheels logo, Run the Jewels, and the info of the car right there down at the bottom. So this, in my opinion, is kind of like the best way to display this car. And also you can just set it on the shelf. And then that's where it has like that really cool artwork on the back. And then this is kind of cool to be able just to slide that back inside. Just like that. Like this is such a cool car. Like I love all the attention to detail on all the packaging and everything with this. If you guys did like this video, definitely go down, hit that like button down below. Also, did you guys pick one of these up when they came out? Because they are currently sold out. I don't know a production number on these, but they actually sold out pretty quick. But if you guys do want to see other videos, I have videos coming out all the time. I have daily YouTube shorts that come out where I do races on my 6-lane raceway. Sometimes I even do some other videos like being at a store, discovering like super treasure hunts at the store, or during case unboxings. Bunch of videos always going live, so definitely hit that subscribe button down there, but also don't forget to hit the like button for this video. I do have a lot more other cars coming soon, and I will show you guys a little spoiler of a car in an upcoming video, so definitely stay tuned for that. But if you guys like the video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. But as always, thank you for watching.